And then 10 years ago, he filled it up with cars. Okay, just came in the first barn. And I've been in this one before, but it's changed a lot. Actually, this is where that Superbird picture I'll post here at the end. This is where it was taken. This was the first barn that he had. And there used to be tractors in here and all kinds of cool stuff. And then 10 years ago, he filled it up with cars, which also show the picture at the end. And now he got rid of, most of the cars have moved on to the other barn, but there's still a few road runners in here. And I guess they scrapped 3 houses full of stuff and it's been stashed away in here. 68 Roadrunner. Big block. '69 Roadrunner. I'll go get a better view of that in a second. And over here is a 70 Charger. 70 Charger 500, I think he said. And it's not the Aero car. It is, oh no, it's just a standard Charger. But it's a legit 70 Charger. I think he said it was a 3-3 car, but I can't remember. I'll ask him. But this car has been sitting here for at least a decade. Like I said, I have pictures of this car from here a decade ago. And then it's got a bunch of cool other old stuff. Old license plates, hubcaps. He also bought out Ramo Stott, the NASCAR driver, and I think Arca. He bought out all of his old stuff when he closed up his shop. So, like rims and tires and I don't know where it is. He used to have, oh, how about Hemi air filters? Stacks of Hemi air filters. That is original NASCAR exhaust manifolds for, I think the 71 Hemi Roadrunner that Ramo Stott owned or ran. I think there's some Hemi parts on the other side, but you can see real good. Here's some more air cleaners. All right. Yep, there's the 69 Roadrunner. 68. It's funny, I remember doing this 10 years ago, the last time I was here. Scooting between these two cars. You can see the raccoons and cats have had a field day. Spare bumpers. And I think I see the Hemi parts. And these 3 cars, they're all 3-3 cars. They're nothing, I mean, they're cool and rare. How about an air grabber assembly? But yeah, just a little bit has changed. That is cool though. Yeah, there used to be some Hemi stuff sitting up here. I'll show you the picture at the end, or whatever I decide when I'm editing this. But yeah, pretty cool. This is the famous picture of the very first Superbird I ever uncovered sitting in a barn. It's been on the internet since obviously 2004, and the rest of the cars that you see in this video. That barn, which isn't that barn, which holds the 3 Roadrunners you see here. They used to be outside back in 2004. Then they moved them inside, which is here. So this is right around 2010 when he took a lot of the cars that were outside, brought them inside, including the 3 Roadrunners that you see on the side and the 70 Charger, which used to be in the middle of the barn, and the Superbird. Then they sat like this from at least 2010 through 2014, 2015, when the additional barns were built and cars were actually worked on. You'll see them in future videos, but a bunch of the cars are actually running, driving. The Superbird, which I'll show, has been restored back to its original white. It's a real 446 pack, 4-speed, 70 Superbird, which is really neat. And it's really cool to see something that I saw in 2004 actually get pulled out of the barn, put back, taken apart, restored, and, is running and driving now, which will probably be the last video in this series. You can see he did bring them inside. He did keep them, safe from the elements. And most of them have been brought back to life, except for the 3 Roadrunners, which is fine for right now. He plans on working on them here in the near future, so hopefully the next update on them will be good. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video of the Roadrunners in the barn. I've had a long history with them. It's really cool to see them after all these years, and I hadn't been back in a decade, which was really cool to see what had changed and what hadn't. And I'll show you in future videos the rest of the stuff that exists at the property. But don't forget, I put up a new video every Monday. And, well, as of the last, 9 months. And I think I'm actually going to be filming next week after this weekend's the 4th of July on the green car, because I'll have the new battery for it, and I've been going through my parts, and I have a video on the grill and a whole bunch of the cool stuff under the hood. So I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe. Have a happy 4th of July. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.